Shout out to AWE for the hookup. Oh, these are nice. These will look good. We should say what we're doing, probably.
We're gonna put that
Here's all my clamps.
on that.
Bought a new car. It's fast and fun, but it's silent. So we put a paycheck into an exhaust system. I should probably, let's get the whole thing out. Timestamp below for the before and after. This is the before. The loudest part of this car right now is like the rockers. Like one sticker wouldn't hurt.
You need the horsepower.
90% of the horsepower you gain from a bolt-on catback comes from the sticker in the box.
Fact.
People say that stickers add 5 horsepower, but a good sticker, 25 easy. We might want to jack the front end up because I can't reach that. Right there. Do you see it?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna need either a deep socket or a wrench.
Okay. Do you have deep socket?
Yeah.
Alright, so what Steve's doing right now is there's a band clamp just after the catalytic converter into the gigantic resonator, and he's attempting to loosen the clamp up.
This is very rusty though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, what does it stand for again?
Big shmoney. What's that Legend of Zelda game where it's the Game Boy remake?
Game Boy remake?
Yeah, with the windfish and the big egg. Link's Awakening.
Comment below.
No, Link's Awakening. It's Link's Awakening.
No, comment below.
Comment below, but it's Link's Awakening, and if you
Comment Link's Awakening.
comment Link's Awakening.
Thank you guys, we need the engagement.
Instead of them laying sideways like they are on Steve's driveway, my dad has a lift in his garage that we could go to.
You know, I lost a lot of weight recently, and it still bothers me that I can't fit under a car.
We should have PB blastered it.
You know what we can try?
Torch?
Yep.
Torch!
It can't be tight if it's liquid.
Text my girlfriend and tell her we're about to play with fire next to the gas tank. Tell her to meet me at the hospital tomorrow. This thing?
That.
Gas tank.
Gotcha. We're way up here, so I should be alright.
That looks pretty hot.
Yeah.
This is like a horror movie.
Just punch myself in the nose. This stuff's easy, so we're doing this now. We're gonna have to cut this clamp off because it's rusted and... Excuse me, I was talking.
What?
Sorry. It's rusted and we can't get the bolts off. So we're just gonna grind it off, and Matt's getting a new clamp. Other Matt.
You want the impact?
Actually, yeah, I can do it on this one. I like how God tier cam op just puts the camera on the ground and walks away.
Alright, so there's
Easy
the
mode.
safety bars out.
What are the odds that's going back in?
It has to.
Take the pole below.
You want to cut it so I can drop the suitcase?
Yeah, did Chris grab that, or you just pull out the extension cord?
No, the extension cord is to charge the switch.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'll get the thing.
Go ahead and show them what you pulled the extension cord out for. We need it here, though.
What are we doing here today, Steve?
We're gonna cut an exhaust off.
Wait, what are you doing?
I need that.
Cut the switch in half.
We're gonna cut the switch in half.
Steve, let me know when I can drop the exhaust.
Are you holding it up right now?
Yeah.
Do you want your ears to work?
Just do it.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Nope. Did somebody unplug me?
Yeah, you did, I think.
Chris!
Hey, Chris!
You can just toss it if you have to. Thank you. Chris?
Does that feel like better?
Yeah, that should be good.
You want to hand me the impact? Okay. Slide out. Yep. I'm gonna lay it on the ground.
That's an exhaust shot.
Woo! It's too loud.
Go ahead.
Thanks, Volkswagen.
Flip it off.
What? Flip it off?
Flip it off.
What?
Gotta give it to flip offs. Here we go. Here's that no exhaust start.
That's still pretty quiet.
A lot quieter than I thought.
That's so much quieter than I thought it would be.
It's a rev button.
Dude, why did I buy an exhaust?
Leave your exhaust.
We need like a flathead screwdriver or something.
Yeah, I have a flathead
Maybe some
over there.
lube.
What are you doing?
We gotta get that exhaust
The
hangers
hangers
off.
You could. It's just the same shit. It's just like a different. It's a different brand.
So I just noticed where it says my serial number and everything. It also says that my performance is unlocked. So.
Is that where you want it?
Yeah, why not? That's probably good.
I don't know how many Ugga Chuggers it needs, but I know how many I'm gonna give it.
All of them.
Let's see if it works. Bruh. Bruh. Chaos. Thanks. Just throw it in my car. It's fine. I don't care about this thing.
Sorry. Look at this flex you got here. Look at that engineering.
Don't pull on that too much. That's connected directly to my turbo.
Yeah, it's got a flex pipe and flexible mount.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to do that.
It's supposed to bend.
That was like the one time in my life I wasn't being sarcastic.
Oh, okay. It's hard to tell. Which one? The center one?
Did I just pull it up or did you push it up?
Nope, it pulled it up.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Okay, ready? Now. Ah! This feels solid.
Yeah. Well, you'll see, like, once it starts to tighten up, it slows down, but it's still, like, spinning at a reasonable speed. There you go. Very good.
Probably okay.
No, it's tight already, dude. You don't have to do anything to it.
Why is it moving so
Oh,
much?
it's tight.
Is this tight?
It's tight.
This is tight. Probably not going anywhere. Oh, they look mean as hell. Should I push them in a little further, you think?
No.
Nah. No, it looks kind of awesome, right?
Yeah.
I kind of don't like that I can see the
Screws?
the screws.
Yeah.
I should push them in a little further.
You could tilt them up so the
You mean-
bolt's facing down.
Like this.
Steve, you're so smart.
You-
Fuck yeah.
That's funny, guys.
Steve's so smart. Steve's the smartest boy here.
Well, I did just build an exhaust.
The inaugural wrap.
Polish them? Yeah. You gotta wipe off the fingerprints.
True, good point. What kind of a man would I be if I didn't do that? Does it sound louder than stock?
I don't know how it sounded stock, so.
I think it sounds better than stock.
It's got more of a gurgle to it.
Also sounds better than stock.
Oh yeah, it sounds
yeah.
different. Oh yeah, there it is.
You got a bit of a drone, but it's nice.
So, it's been a few days since we put the exhaust on. It sounded great, but we were missing something. So, against my better judgment, and even though people said don't spend money, and my wallet said don't spend money, and my family and girlfriend said don't spend money on the car, I bought a downpipe, because the downpipe is what really makes the car sound good. So if you follow me over here, you can see that I was impatient, and I did it without filming it. Here's our factory downpipe. Our factory downpipe has a giant catalytic converter, and I think that's what this small thing is too. Don't really know. Whatever, it's huge, very heavy, and extremely restrictive. I bought a catless downpipe. Don't tell the DMV. I couldn't wait to put it in, so I put it in without filming. It was a pain in the ass, but it looks great, sounds great, and it's stainless steel. 3-inch all the way back from the turbo now. The biggest difference this downpipe makes with the exhaust we put in, because the exhaust was just a Catback, and it's got a resonator and a muffler, and that kind of like keeps the tone nice, but it's not as restrictive as the factory muffler and factory resonator. The downpipe is extremely restrictive due to the catalytic converter. If you take the cat out and you just basically free flow off the turbo directly into the exhaust, you get a really, really pure engine sound, and your exhaust then, like, you know, helps make the sounds it was supposed to make. With my exhaust, it's an AWE touring exhaust. AWE is the brand. It sounded amazing. It just wasn't loud enough. So what this downpipe really did was just turn up the volume. But because it's resonated and the downpipe isn't catted anymore, we don't get drone, and we don't get like rasp, and it doesn't sound like a clapped out old Civic or anything. Kind of sounds like a tractor, but that's cool, right? So we're gonna turn it on. You guys can hear how it sounds, and let us know in the comments what you think about it. Definitely better, right?
Yeah.
The volume's up. It's definitely louder. Let's let it get to temp and I'll take you for a quick spin.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ooh. Ooh.
I love this car. But when you give it the beans,
It gets the beans.
yeah, when you give it the beans, it sounds like you're giving it the beans. Mine doesn't drone though, and I appreciate that. So thanks AWE for building quality products, I guess. Also, they were really cool and their customer support was awesome. And so I can't shout them out enough. Sorry. I know we don't make any money off of that, but I won't name the Downpipe brand, but it was a relatively new brand, so we'll see how it holds up. But it sounds good, and with the windows up and everything, like when I'm driving and I have the radio on or the air on, like, it's not terrible, you know? In 6th gear, it's like, it sounds like it's factory. There's no noise. That is legitimately the police station on our left, and I don't know how hard I should be giving it the beans. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Hi, I'm just doing the speed limit. Thanks, guys. What's up, internet? Hope you liked it. I like it. I think it's nice and loud. I think it sounds great. It kind of sounds like a tractor, but that's what Volkswagens are for, right? You did everything correctly. We got no check engine lights, and the thing's running great. I don't think my neighbors love it, but I do, so that's their problem. If you like what you saw, if you thought our video was informative, helpful, whatever, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. Smash the like button, don't smash the like button, don't break it, we can't afford a new one. And keep watching, stick around, we'll have more videos soon. Bye internet, we love you.